17, pass to Palangana. Alley-oop to Uranta and great combination by number 11 to number 21. Takes the rebound, pass to Palangana. Palangana sa ganito untalan, quick layup, easy basket by number 11. Palangana. Karon 14 seconds out the shot clock, Dabang-Gabas, pulang jumper to Sean Pescara, Dabang-Gabas, pulang jumper to Sean Pescara, 37-19, for the Arrow, 5 minutes and 10 seconds to go for the third quarter. Karon to number 15 at the post, fading away. Look at that move. Karon to number 15 at the post, fading away. Look at that move by number 15.
Bahalag ni Cordio to.